2026, a year of higher dimension. Musa Wenkosi Joshua Mohlala, it's my name, a father of the nation. I just want to invite you. Inkonze nkulu yekiya. 12 ngsekok start. 10 a.m. 8:13 it's a night prayer elusigi. Inkonze nkulu yekiya. There are so many testimonies there. Abantu abaselusigi bayazi uNkulunkulu kahlula bathakathi wenzani. Wonke umuntu osemampondweni ukuyofika eBizana, meet me in Lisigisigi. And then ngayi-14 ngisedutshwa 10 a.m. egameni likaJesu waseNazaretha. 19 Alwal North. 20 ngiseqala, it will be a night prayer. 21 Somerset East, it will be a special service. It will be on Saturday. Somerset East and Kala, I haven't been there. I am coming prophetically in your place. Bring a key. The 25th of March, Witbank. The 26th of March, Mamilodi. The 27th of March, Rustenburg, Ben Marais. It will be a whole night prayer, 6 p.m. up until 6 a.m. The 28th, Tembisa, from 10 a.m. up until 3 p.m. On the 29th of March, it's a debt cancellation service. West Kulegela Konik Koloto, Sitabantu Ababatalis Koloto, Nesnis Koloto, Batatis Koloto, Ugyogwen's Koloto, no Fulesis Koloto, no Valesis Koloto. Muga, Ushula Batanga to be now. I want you to be in our branches, so Tanda Zela. Ufunagu to collect in Koloto Zaku Zipale Pasi. The 31st of March, we are having a Tuesday service. It will be a prophetic fine service that Tuesday. You don't want to miss it. 10 a.m. up until 3 p.m.